Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetradingsystems.com. Making this small video about yen index and yen trades. Basically, I wanted to show that how you can use yen index for your benefit, for your advantage. So let's get started. First, I want to show what I did, what happened last week of July, and then I'll show you the same history repeated today as well. And basically, this history repeats itself every week in every single pair, currency actually. So sometimes in yen, some in Aussie, then the pound, then euro. If you watch the index, you will clearly see what is happening. So, for example, this is yen index 20-minute chart, Elliott wave count 1, 2, 3, ABC 4, and I said maybe it will drop here before it goes up for wave 5. Drop where? 66.44 is the level. So my yellow mark is from here to here, anywhere, somewhere here, or all the way come down here to 64.44 and then bounce. This is the area for bounce, right? So what happened to this chart? And if, let's say, if it start bouncing and going to the upside, what will happen? I said this will take all yen pairs to the upside. So if it bouncing from here and going up there, then all yen pairs should be going to the upside, and I should be having long trades in yen pairs, right? Simple as that. So let's see what happened to this chart. This is what happened. From here, it went all the way to this area. From 66.44, it came down exactly, and then it went up, right? So all this time, it went up all the way here. That means that what I said in this previous chart, that all yen pairs should be going to the upside. Now here, since I'm showing that it's going to drop, then I said all yen pairs are going to go down, right? And they did. So I'm not going to show you that, but just on the long side. Let's see what happens. So if it has gone from here to here, that means that all yen pair would have gone, or they already went up, and I should have had some kind of trades, long trades to show, right? So let's see if I had any long trades. Do I have it? The first one on the 28th, pound yen, 230 pip in one single day. Boom. Entry is right here, buy entry, and SL move to break even. Just like that, and my entry is by the book, by the setup. Perfectly, perfect entry by the setup. Here, again, perfect by the setup entry, buy entries. Here, 120 pip in euro yen, 2 yen pairs. CAD yen, also 120 pip. This is the setup. And USD yen on the 28th, same day, this went up as well, 110 pip. So I caught 4 of these yen pairs, as I said, that they're all going to go up with the index. So they did. Then index dropped and all the pairs dropped as well. So I have those trades as well, but I don't want to show it. The video is going to get bigger. I will just stick to the long side. So now what happened once it retraces a little bit, then what happened to the chart? So it start to come down here, right? But remember the chart I made that is going to come down. Let me show you again. This chart, right? So I said from here, it's going to come down. So it started to come down here, and it was here. I had a couple of short Indian pairs after that. So now, since it started to come down here, and I said, okay, from here somewhere, 38% or 61%. Maybe it will come down all the way to 61%, or maybe right from 38%, it will go up. Again, the same thing will happen. If once it start to go up, all yen pair will go up with that, right? All yen pairs will go up. So what happened to this chart? You can see that this is what happened. It came down one more time, 38% touch, and then started to go up. So I made another chart on August 7th saying that it will go up, and if yen index start to go up, all yen pairs will also go up. It's written from the previous chart as well, right? So all supposed to be going to the upside. So what happened to this chart? This as of today on the 10th. So it went from here, they dip a little bit, and then after that, straight up to this high. Now, again, From here to here, if it went up, it should have taken all the yen pairs to the upside. So all yen pairs should have gone to the upside, and I should have some trades, long trades to show, right? That's the question. Do I have anything? If I do this analysis and everything, and I write down here everything that, yeah, okay, all yen pairs gonna go up, but then I don't take any trades, that doesn't mean, make any sense. So I should have some long trades in yen pairs today, or maybe 9th and 10th, yeah, because the last chart I made was on 7. So let's say 8, 9, 10. In between these 2-3 days, I should have some long yen trades. So let's go take a look what kind of trades I have today in yen pairs. They should be going all to the long side, to the upside, right? Start watching, start counting. First, euro yen, 65 pip to the long side, buy the book entry. Second, USD yen, 70 pip, beautiful entry, buy the book, buy order here. Third, 100 pip, Aussie yen, beautiful, buy the book entry. Fourth, euro yen, 140 pip. By the way, the first one I show you, it was here. I didn't close the trade because I knew that this damn thing is going to go all the way up because euro was getting strong as well. So I held that trade for the second day, and I started on the 9th and end up on the 10th today for 140 pip, euro yen. So far it's 4 or 5 trades, and then CAD yen, long side also. Buy order here, beautiful, buy the book entry. 4 conditions have to meet, and they all the trades are by the setup. Pound yen, 130 pip, right from here. My first entry was here, but I got knocked out at break even, and then this is the second one I took, and boom, all the way there, pound yen, right? And then New Zealand, 65 pip. The only yen pair that I didn't trade was franc yen. I don't even watch that. You know that I hate this currency, frankie, right? That burned me once very badly. So I just don't like that anymore. They manipulate. So this is out of 7 or 8 pair, I have 6 trades in 6 pairs, all to the upside, all to the long side, as I said in my chart when I made that on the 7th. Right there. The 7th, I made this chart that it is going to go up, and all yen pair will go up also. And I just showed you 6 trades in yen pairs, more than 500 pip in one day today alone, using this system. The analysis, of course, and the system. Right? That's why I do my webinars Wednesday and Sunday, 4 p.m. Eastern Time, and I explain everything to my subscribers, that what to expect in what index, in what pair, what are they going to do, which one is going to go up, which one is going to go down. Unfortunately, this Wednesday, yesterday, I couldn't do the webinar because I had thunderstorm and my internet was in and out. So, but yeah, these are the 2 days that I do webinar and explain everything to my subscribers. So this is just wanted to show that this is how you use not only this yen index, by the way, anything. I did the same thing with Aussie index last week, earlier in the week, when we had a red news for Aussie started getting weaker, and I had 165 pip trade in Euro Aussie 2 days, just like I did the Euro Aussie, Euro yen. If you know what is happening, what's going on, if you know what is the news, is the red news, is very good or very bad, it's gonna shake up the whole market, yes, then you can hold the trade for 2 days, right? You get all the pippage for 2 days, and that becomes a big trade. So Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie, Aussie yen, I had those trades in Aussie pair, right? But here you saw that I had 6 trades, all yen pairs, 6 yen pairs to the long side today alone. Why? Because of this chart here. We went from here to this high here. Watch. See that? It's right here now. Now, maybe it's gonna, if it's gonna break, then we will go up. If not, it's gonna drop. If it is gonna drop, what will happen? Yen will get strong. Yen index is just the opposite of all the indexes. If yen is, at least with this broker. So if it's gonna stop dropping, that means yen is gonna get strong, and then all yen pair will turn to the downside again. So let's see if this area breaks, and if it's gonna break, tomorrow is Friday, tonight, tomorrow the daytime, then I'll take some more entry to the long side. Maybe not, because Friday is always shaky, and I have had enough, so no problem with that. And yeah, early in the week, I thought maybe, oh my God, man, if I'm gonna get some, but thank God, yen saved me. So this is how you use indexes, and on the back of the news, use the index, watch the index, where it's going, and all the pairs involving that particular currency will move. Like, for example, USD. If USD start getting strong, then Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD, and New USD will go down. USD CAD, USD Yen, and USD Franc will go up, right? And you just wait for the setup. I just wait for the setup. I have an alarm. When the setup is there, alarm beeps, and I open the trade. Simple as that. All right. So this is it for now. Just wanted to share with you guys. And if you're interested, go on my website, sign up. Either, a monthly subscription, or you want to learn the whole thing, mumbo jumbo, Elliott wave, harmonic pattern, this and that. Then I have one-on-one course over there, and you can, sign up. And don't forget to, subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can get my videos as soon as I post them. I made a video yesterday, not yesterday, today in the morning, just before CPI, that USD gonna get weaker and gold is gonna go to the upside, but they haven't moved that much. Went up, in my direction, but they came back. And now sitting over there, gold is sitting at 1912 and holding on. So if it is gonna hold above that, then we'll probably go back to 1920 and to the upside. So let's see what happened on that. And USD also, it's hitting the TL. It's probably gonna drop. Let's see what happens. So maybe I'll make another video tomorrow updating USDX and the gold. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful Friday.